All right, what's up? It's been a minute, right? I'm gonna do a whole video for y'all today. Not just because I want to do a video, but because I got a very special gift. I get home yesterday, my son said, hey, what time you cooking? I said, I don't know, probably about 35, 45 minutes. He said, you're gonna have something come to your door. I'm like, well, what's gonna come to my door? And he said, you'll see when it comes to your door. So I waited for it to come to my door. Guess what came to my door? I was blown away. Y'all like steak? You like steak? Right? What's your favorite kind of steak? You like New York strip? You like porterhouse, T-bone? Yeah. Today, we're gonna make my very first tomahawk. Yeah, look at this. Yep. Now, y'all see my head, right? You see the steak? This is 3 pounds of cowboy steak. 3 pounds. I've never made one before. I don't know how to make one, but I got a pretty good idea. And I'm only gonna, listen, when you get an expensive cut of meat, don't bury the flavor with all of them different type of seasonings. You know what's going on here? Salt and pepper. Yeah, you heard me. Salt and pepper. Let's go. All right, I'm outside in the backyard now, about to throw this puppy on the grill. Why? Because I want to smoke it. Got me some hickory. Some hickory. Some natural wood, hardwood hickory blend. Real wood flavor. Yeah, this tomahawk about to be something, y'all. Boom! You see it? Oh yeah, you see it. Let me get a little closer. What did I tell you I was gonna put on there? Salt and pepper. It can handle some heavy seasoning, so make sure you put it on there real good. I gotta put a little more around the side here. But we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna put it on the grill, I'm gonna smoke it till it gets about 130 degrees. And then I'm gonna take it, put it on the griddle, steaming hot, and we're gonna get some grill marks on there. Reverse searing, y'all. Here we go. Okay, so right now the thermometer says I'm at 131, almost 132. We'll give it a couple more minutes, only because it's smoking pretty good right now, and I want to take advantage of that extra smoke. And then we'll go with the big reveal. All right, okay, it's that time. Temperature is exactly 135. Here comes the big reveal. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Here we go. Look at that. Will you look at that? Will you open up your eyes and look at that? Salt and pepper. And still smoking. What? But I'm pulling it off because I don't want it to get overdone. All right, I'll see you in a minute. I cannot believe how beautiful that looks. I didn't even sear it yet. I'm gonna do that reverse sear on there just so I can get some char marks on there. Look at that pretty bone. I'm gonna eat the bone. I wanna eat the bone. You hear me? Eat the bone. Put it on this griddle, waiting for it to get hot, get them sear marks on there, and then we're gonna rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll. Now, this is what we've been waiting for. I want those grill marks on there, right? Listen. We do that about a minute or two. I'm gonna turn it a quarter way so I can get the nice hatch marks. I'm gonna flip it over, do the same thing. We're gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna be ready to ride. Ready to ride, we're gonna be ready. Yeah. I almost forgot. We're gonna do some cheddar biscuits, y'all. Judy in here doing her thing, Judy in here doing it. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Oh, I forgot what else to show you. Let me tell y'all something else. Look at this. You know what's in here? There's some heavy cream and some shrimp shells, right? And here we boiled some water in some shrimp stock. Yeah, we're gonna mix the shrimp stock with the potatoes, along with the shrimp cream with the potatoes, add a little bit of butter, some curry butter. Wah, wah, wah. That's the good stuff right there, y'all. That's the good stuff. right? And then we're gonna stuff that tomahawk with the mashed potatoes and with some scrimps. Y'all not ready for this. Get up out of here. All right, we're coming to the final stretches, y'all. You see the shrimp on there? Just got a little bit of Cajun seasoning on there, that's it. Crosshatch pattern didn't really come out like I wanted to, but we'll see what happens on the other side. It's still tasty. Yeah. All right, so y'all thought I was playing with you, didn't you? I wasn't playing. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. How do I flip this around? So y'all see that pretty biscuit right there? That cheddar biscuit? Yeah, Judy is the queen of biscuits. And what's it next to? It's next to that tomahawk. It's got some shrimp on it. Oh, and it also has some shrimp and mashed potatoes stuffed on the inside of it. Yeah, you heard me. You heard me. Served on a bed of spring mix pear salad with walnuts. Yeah, we don't play around here. We don't play. Bones and appetites, baby.